everybody, my friend. This is Annalisa Pompeo from goSicily. After a month, I'm outside because the kids are spending some little of time with the father. And this is my car. Look, after a month stopped, it's so dirty. I hope I can switch on the motor. And I have everything to go to do some shopping. So my gloves, my mask, my auto certification. On the back, this is Favara, this is my city. On the back is the mother church. And I will show you a little bit the places that I will visit. Stay in touch. So how you can see, the city is completely desert, right? Especially in the afternoon, I think that nobody is going outside. So I arrived in one of my favorite places to buy something, fresh fruits and veggies. I have my gloves. I am alright in this moment because I'm talking. And so after, it will be my turn to buy some fresh ingredients. To be honest, I feel excited because it's the first time after a month that I go outside. So people are discussing arguing about something, and now I will wait my turn. So what I need is some eggplant. Look at these, are very, very small. Sorry for the loud. And I need for sure some celery, the fresh celery, peppers, because I wanted to show you also how to stuff some peppers this week. So I will buy something, and I will wash perfectly at home, and after I will show you how to make some recipe that you know. To be honest, I'm trying to find some tomatoes, even if it's not the season of tomatoes, but I would like to show you how to preserve tomatoes when it's a time to make tomatoes. Beautiful day in Favara, and the police is checking. Everything is changed, and I'm really impressed because last time I went here it was so different. Instead now you have to walk in the right way, right? So I'm entering and I'm doing buying some food that I need. So all the fruits, but I prefer to buy them at the fresh market. But you can see that we don't have any problem about food. We have plenty of food. We have beer, we have everything, and so I will show you a little bit. Okay, in my mind, I would like to prepare for my father's birthday. I would prepare a ricotta cake. So at this grocery you can find this ricotta that I know for you American is normal, but I don't want to buy this because I would like to find the fresh ricotta. I don't know if I'm very lucky because it's a late afternoon, so I don't know. But I will try if I can find a fresh ricotta. So wish me luck. Okay guys, I just wanted to share with you why I'm here in this grocery. The reason is because a lot of products are made in Italy, especially in Sicily. So like pasta is a durum with pastina. Is not a big brand, but you have always to read the labels. So this is a durum wheat and is made in Italy. So this is really important. When you buy something, please read always the label, because and this works for everything, for the extra virgin olive oil, for pasta, for everything that you buy. So please read the label. It's really uncomfortable to go inside the shops with the mask on, and especially for people like me that we wear glasses. It's something that gets you crazy, but of course is necessarily. So I did some shopping, and I need the last stop just to see if I can find fresh ricotta. So here we go. I'm lucky because I'm in one of my favorite places, and I'm looking for ricotta. Signora, abbiamo ricotta? Ok, fresh ricotta, me la può fare vedere per favore? Fresh ricotta, so different. Look, I wanted to abbassi che la faccio vedere da qua. So different from the market, right? I'm trying to do this. Yeah, we can make a ricotta cake. Me ne dia due, signora. So I'm buying two, and I can't wait to go back home and start to make my cake for my father's birthday. Ciao, signora.